The Innerwell Honeycomb Skillet is a great addition to any kitchen. It is made of stainless steel, and it has a non-stick surface. This pan comes with a lid, which is made of glass. The 10-inch size is perfect for many cooking tasks, and the honeycomb design helps with even heating. You can use this Innerwell Honeycomb Skillet on gas, electric, induction, and ceramic stoves. It is also oven safe. Adding to its versatility, this Innerwell Honeycomb Skillet aims to make cooking easier. The non-stick surface means less food sticks, and that makes cleanup simpler. The honeycomb pattern is not just for looks. It helps distribute heat well. This can lead to more evenly cooked food. The stainless steel components add to the pan's durability, so it should last for a while. Plus, the glass lid lets you see your food without lifting it and losing heat. Overall, the Innerwell Honeycomb Skillet is a solid choice for home cooks. It offers a non-stick surface and the durability of stainless steel. It works on many types of stoves, and it's oven safe. Cleaning is also easy because of the non-stick coating, and less residue tends to stick. If you need a reliable 10-inch skillet with a lid, the Innerwell Honeycomb Skillet is worth considering, and it won't break the bank. Pros: non-stick, easy to clean, honeycomb tech, even heating, durable build, with a lid, cool handle, oven safe, multi-stove use, healthy material. Cons: handle can get hot, lid may not fit perfectly, non-stick less effective, harder to clean, burnt food, honeycomb may be gimmicky, might not suit heavy duty, smaller. For large families, non-stick coating can scratch, heavier than some pans, handle screw might loosen. Features: stainless steel, non-stick, with a lid 10-inch size, honeycomb pattern, for all stoves. Oven safe, easy to clean, durable build, even heating. This Innerwell frying pan is made of stainless steel and has a non-stick surface with a honeycomb pattern. It comes with a lid and is 10 inches wide. You can use it on all kinds of stoves, even electric, gas, induction, and ceramic. It's also safe to put in the oven. The pan is made to heat evenly and is easy to clean. Plus, it's built to last. The Innerwell 10-inch non-stick frying pan is made of stainless steel with a honeycomb design and comes with a lid. It's designed for use on various stovetops, including gas, electric, induction, and ceramic, and is also oven safe. The pan aims for even heating and has a non-stick surface that should be easy to clean, along with a cool handle. However, some users might find it smaller than expected for large families, and the non-stick might become less effective over time. Burnt food could be harder to clean, and the handle might get hot. Also, the lid might not always fit perfectly. The honeycomb design could be just for looks. It might not be strong enough for very heavy cooking. The non-stick coating can scratch, and the pan is heavier than some others, with a possibility of the handle screw loosening.